In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a short text address question to your Typeform. This is perfect when you need a simple, single-line address field without overcomplicating your form. Start on your computer and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter. Once the site loads, log into your account. You'll land on your workspace where you can see your existing forms. Pick the form you want to edit by clicking its title. This opens the form builder, which shows your current questions on the left and a live preview on the right. To add a new question, look for the option to add content and click the button labeled Add Content. From the list of question types that appears, choose Short Text. Short text is designed for quick, single-line responses, which makes it a great fit for collecting compact details like addresses, names, or brief notes. It keeps your form tidy and helps respondents finish faster. Once the short text block is added to your form, you'll see a field labeled Question. Click into that field and type a clear prompt such as Enter your address. Keep the wording straightforward so respondents immediately know what to provide. Clear labels reduce confusion and improve the quality of responses. As soon as you finish typing, the new question is automatically added to your form. You'll see it appear in your question list and in the preview, so you can confirm it looks right in context. Typeform typically saves changes as you go, so you don't have to worry about losing your work while you're editing. A few quick tips to make this question work even better for you. Aim for concise language and avoid extra punctuation that might clutter the label. If you only need a street address line, short text is ideal. If in the future you realize you need more detailed address parts like city or postal code, you can add separate fields for each, but for now, keeping it to one short text question keeps your form simple and fast to complete. Also, only ask for an address if it's truly necessary for your purpose, and be mindful about how you'll use and store that information. That's all there is to it. You opened your browser, went to typeform.com, logged in, opened your form, added a short text question, and entered Enter your address as the prompt. You now have a clean, user-friendly address field in your Typeform. Thanks for watching and happy form building.